All right, Aaron Parker, Parker Safes and Bolts. I'm just going to show you a little trick today with a pallet jack as it relates to getting it from across, say, a different elevation, whether it be in your garage or something like that, or even off of a truck, up over a little bit of a driveway lip, maybe out on the street. This technique works pretty good. Unfortunately, a lot of truck drivers just don't know about it, so I'm hoping this might help those guys out too, because I see a lot of them really struggling, even to get it from on their trailer. They might have a wooden bed, and it's an older trailer. That last couple feet from the wooden bed to the end of the truck, that might be steel, like diamond plate. Well, after years of use, that gets some little undulations in it, and it's really hard to pull a heavy safe or any pallet up over that little. It could just be a 1/4 inch lip, and it's really tough. Sometimes you're just pulling and nothing's going on. So this technique will help those guys too. But basically what we're going to do is we're just going to use a pallet jack to kind of leapfrog the weight of the safe up onto the elevation. So we only have about, I don't have any elevation changes around here, so I'm going to simulate that by using these two pieces of 3/4 inch plywood. And that's generally about what we find is maybe an inch or so between the driveway and the garage floor, the finished floor. So this safe's pretty heavy. I was kind of hoping I had a different one around, but this is the one I've got up here in this building. So it's a Grifunder. It's about 3,000 pounds. It's a Castle 7242, and we're going to use it just to show you what I'm talking about. So you'll be coming down the driveway potentially, or going wherever you're going, and when you come up here, you're just going to let your steering wheels hit on that lip of your garage. Okay. Then what we do is just release the safe, let the weight come down. You hear my pallet jack kind of scream there, pretty heavy. Then I'm just going to pull the pallet jack towards me without the safe and get the wheels, the steering wheels, up on top of the lip, right? So sometimes my lip will be higher than I can actually pull that up because I'll be hitting here right underneath the pallet. If that happens, what we can do, go back here, lift this up, and then just slide a 3/4 piece or a couple 3/4 pieces under each piece of these, under these legs on the pallet. Do that on each side, and it just depends on the elevation how much of that you need. If you need more than about 1.5 inches, you're probably going to need some pieces in here too, just so it equalizes. So maybe 2 out here, 1 in here, so you're pulling across even. But most of the time, it's just a little lip like this. So we're just kind of going to go over that. So we'll pull up tight, let it down. I'm going to pull my steering wheels up here just enough to where I can start to lift, and I'm putting pressure not right on the lip, or it'll fall, it'll roll off. But I want to make sure that I've got enough balance. My pallet jack is long enough to do this kind of method. All I'm going to do now is just lift it up high enough so that this part, underneath the pallet, will clear onto the new finished floor. Or no, maybe not new, but onto the floor we're going to. Okay. So I'm going to kind of come on in until those front wheels hit that lip as well. All right, right there. So that hit. So now I can't go anymore, or else I'm pulling up over the lip we started with. So now I'm just going to let that down all the way, and hopefully I have enough clearance again to push this forward now. And now I'm back off onto or I'm still onto the driveway elevation, but now I'm going to lift that up, and I'm going to pull again until we hit. All right, now I'm going to let that safe down for the pallet. Now what I can do, let it down all the way, make sure it's down all the way, and then I can pull my wheels up over that lip. So now I'm on the garage floor now, okay? Then all I got to do, lift it up, and now I'm in, so we can just wheel it wherever we need to go from there. So now we're at elevation. So that's it. I hope that helped, and appreciate you watching our videos.